Okay. It's Monday, April 3rd. It is 8:21. I took Allie to school. I was up till like almost 2 editing a video. And then got up at like 6:15 to get Adria up. So I literally slept like 4 hours. And then I got Allie up for school, took her to school. Jay and Jax are sleeping. But I'm like, Amazon accidentally put my order in twice of Jax's birthday presents. And then they charged me twice. So it's all in the box. I need to take it to the UPS store. I'm like, I'll just run there. They open at 8:30. So right now, I am, in line at our new Starbucks. Let's see, bacon, Gouda, and egg sandwich. Is that what I get? I don't know. Sausage, cheddar, and egg. I don't know if I like Gouda. I know I've had one before. There was a bacon sandwich. But yeah, so I have like 8 minutes until UPS opens. So I'm going to get myself some Starbucks. As you can tell by my voice, I'm still... It's like all this congestion, like nothing will come out. It's driving me nuts. Birthday cake pops, cookies, brownies, blueberry muffin, blueberry scone, red velvet loaf, pumpkin and pepita loaf, iced lemon loaf. I love that. Banana, walnut, and pecan loaf. I'll just get the bacon Gouda and egg sandwich, I guess. Or the bacon and Gruyere. All right, I'll get this sandwich. So yeah, I'll check in a minute. Because I'm next to order. I'm going to forget what the heck I'm ordering. So yeah, it's sunny out. Okay, I saw it on the actual menu when I pulled up to the speaker. It's the double smoked bacon and cheddar sandwich. So I'm getting that and then the large pink drink. And then I'll sit at UPS and eat my breakfast while I wait for them to open. Okay, I went in when there was like nobody in there. Then as soon as I went in, 2 people came in right behind me. So I felt like I was rushed. So I didn't ask them about the free boxes. But I got my stuff done. It should get picked up today. I don't know. That was easy. Super easy. All right. Oh yeah, now both the other people came out. Should I go back in? No, let's just go home. Okay, so here's our mangled mess of trampoline. Trying to get the springs out because I hope to get another one. Somehow. This thing was like $300 and we didn't even have it for a year. At least now I know when we get a new one, I'll just put it up by the house if we're going to get bad weather. And then the wind can't get it because the wind comes from like back that way. It just was enough to swoop up under it. I told the kids, I'm like, maybe we could have like 6 of our family members each chip in $50. And that would cover a new trampoline. But right now I'm like trying to, it's like all mangled. The steel, it just folded it in half. I was able to break this one loose. This piece over here. So I'm trying to, with like the net still connected to these poles, I'm trying to just tear it all down because it's Monday and either Tuesday night or Wednesday we're supposed to get storms just as bad, if not worse, than the other day. So I can't just leave this mangled mound of steel and crap here. So I'm trying to take it apart the best I can. The people came today to look at that pole on the house and they're gonna come back I think Thursday and fix it. We have to call the power company. They have to come kill the power. So yeah, we definitely want another one. My kids are out here, rain, shine, snow, sleet. Like this is like their favorite thing ever. Like when we moved from our old house to here, we had to get rid of the swing set because we don't really have a yard. But okay, so we told them, you know, since we couldn't have a swing set anymore, they could have a trampoline because it could go in the driveway. And then less than a year later, here we are. So yeah. Oh man. What a mess. Okay, guys. I have never had Cheryl's cookies, but everyone says they're the best. They've sold like 100 million on QVC. So Adri talked me into getting Cheryl's cookies. I got the classic box. Hold on. Okay, finally. Cheryl's Cookies. We put our best into every bite. So I got the classic flavors. Oh my gosh.
How many cookies are in there?
40.
What?
They're gourmet cookies. So listen, there's this one. Classic chocolate chip. They're soft. Oatmeal raisin. Buttercream frosted triple chocolate. Oh my gosh, they're so soft. Buttercream frosted cutout cookie. Sugar cookie. And snickerdoodle. Guys, it's snickerdoodle, not Snickers. So like cinnamon sugar. Look how soft. Okay, I'm going in with one of these buttercream vanilla.
I'll just take a bite of that one.
Okay, okay guys, let's see. I just took my nails off. Oh, they're so soft. Oh my god. Now I see why they've sold 100 million. Okay. Here. What's your verdict? They're soft. You ate that all in one bite? Mm-hmm. Is that so good? It doesn't, you could even give him the best food in the world, like, yeah, it's all right.
That's good.
Buttercream frosted triple chocolate. But let me know if you've ever had Cheryl's Cookies. Cheryl's Cookies, sugar cookie, buttercream frosted cutout, snickerdoodle chocolate chip, buttercream frosted triple chocolate, and oatmeal raisin. Wow. Where's Adri's bus? It should be here any time. I love your haircut. I love your new haircut. Thank you.
Here to help.
You're awful cute. What is he doing? Where Allie? Allie bug. Allie right here. Here comes Allie. Look at your hair. Allie, look at your hair. Oh my goodness. Dad's here too. Did you see Isabel? She was over there. Oh, Allie, your hair. Look, turn around. Let me see. That's so cute. My goodness.
Wait, don't forget about the
Did you have fun in there? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Allie, did you see Belle? Hey, did you see? Right here. Oh, and you got your nails painted. Look at that. I love it. Did you go say hi, Mrs. Stubbs, real quick? We'll go. It's so cute.
I hope they had a good time.
It looks like it. I see all smiles.
Yep.
Allie Bug, your hair is so cute.
Oh my gosh. You look
All right, school is canceled today because we're supposed to have all this horrible weather. So yeah, this is our day. Keeping track of the weather. And right now there's already a tornado watch in the town that's like 15 minutes away, where Jay just headed to go get blood work done. Okay, it is Wednesday, April 5th. My kids are insane. School was canceled because we are supposed to have like tornadoes and crap like all day. I've never even heard of schools canceling for that. So I'm getting my computer, like my phone, stuff to take down in the basement because we're under tornado watch like as of like 10 minutes ago already. So just getting prepared. Okay, so we're just sitting outside. We have tornado watch, but it's like not doing anything. It's in the 70s. Like, what are you supposed to do all day? Nothing because of tornado watch? What are they doing?
Yes, that's a tall stick.
That is a big stick. Be careful. They just want to play outside because it's so nice out. Don't bring it up here. It's like, what do you do? The alarm could go off at any time, or it could just not go off at all day. I don't know. So we're just right now just sitting outside, getting some fresh air.
Super hairy.
Yeah.
Why is that wearing shorts?
Because it's in the 70s. It's,
I wish I could.
you're not wearing shorts because if we have to go down into the storm cellar, you need to have pants on so you don't scratch up your legs. Oh my God. There's Adri. They're all just...
Jack, run.
Okay, I don't know. I've just been sitting outside, getting some fresh air. It's like not doing anything. It's not even really... I mean, we're starting to get sprinkles right now. I mean, it's super windy right now, but that's it. Sprinkles are coming right now. Yeah, the wind's just now. If you can hear me, the wind is just starting to pick up. Okay, it's starting to creep up. It's still nice and bright over here. Can you see better out back? Huh?
Maybe all the way out there.
Ow! You're barefoot. No, I'm barefoot. Oh, it's moving pretty quick. Look, that thing's gonna snap off, Jay. Yeah, so the sun's coming out over here. Yeah, but look, the clouds are moving pretty quick.
50 mile an hour. Mamacita.
Yeah, I'm in there watching the weather, trying to get control of our children. Okay, so yeah, over here. It's coming. Okay, so we've got these clouds over here going to the left. These clouds right here going to the right. And that's what it says when you have the wind going two different directions. That's what yeah. Look over there. The clouds at the bottom are going one way, and then right above it they're going another way. I just had the kids all get their shoes on.
Someone passes.
The clouds are already swirling.
I know, but that.
Okay, so standing on my front porch, the clouds down at the bottom, they're going to the left, and the clouds right above them are going to the right. Oh, here comes the rain. Well, you can see plain as day the clouds are going in two different directions. Oh, yeah. Crazy. Okay, so we're here at the surgery center, and what are you gonna have done? Your cavities? You have a couple cavities? Oh, and she said they're gonna put silver caps on them. So up here, she has a little cavity, and down here she has a little cavity, but she has a loose tooth, and the other tooth is already coming in, so the doctor's gonna Probably take her little tooth out, huh? So you can put it under your pillow tonight. What do you think? She got her hat on and her gown. What do you think? And you get to have a popsicle as soon as you're done, huh? Wow. Big stuff. She was here 2 years ago and had whole bunches of cavities, but today you just have 2. Is that your cute little hat? You're so cute. You're so cute. Let's see. Open your mouth and look down. Let's see if we can see that tooth coming in. Can we see it? I don't know. But yeah, it's coming in. It's already through the skin. So, but the one's not loose enough to fall out. So we might just have to get it out of there. And you colored a picture for a dentist? Oh, you did. She loved it. You put a picture of an Easter egg? Yeah. Everybody says you're so cute. Oh, I have to kiss your hand. The kissing hand. Your left hand, remember? Do you feel my love going through? And whenever you get scared or miss mommy, you just hold your hand to your cheek and you feel mama's love. Oh. From the book that Mrs. G had us read last night.
Knock, knock.
Oh. Allie Bug's all done. Let's see your tooth. Look! They did this. Hold your tooth. So you can put it under your pillow for the tooth fairy.
Where's my pink tooth?
Well, she'll give it to us. We're still trying to get you to wake up all the way. And you just said, you gonna take my picture? Is that what you just said to me? You eating a popsicle? Yeah, I love you. I know your teeth are chattering. Okay, it's okay. Hey, Allie Bug. That's from your teacher. You see what that says?
What does that say?
It says, Happy Easter, Allie. And those are eggs for you since you missed the egg hunt today at school. What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh, it's so nice. She saved you some eggs, huh? Since you couldn't be there today.
Mom?
You want to take them in?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey! Who's up there? Who's up there? Who is it? Do you see him? Here, I'll carry your cup. Come on, come through with your sisters. Who's up there? Oh, who is it up there? Do you see him? Are you going to say anything? Oh, he's waving at kids. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's waving. Come over here.
Hey guys, look.
Is this like, he just waved. He waved at Allie. He just waved. What do you think? Come over here by Allie.
Don't be nervous. Easter's eating.
Who is that? You gonna be shy?
Easter bunny?
Oh wait. Oh, do you see the Easter bunny? Buddy. You wanna take your coat off? You can say, you wanna wear it in your picture? What is that? What do you say? Take your egg. What do you say? What do you say? Do you say thank you? We're gonna take your picture.
Yeah.
Dad's looking at the packages, I think. Yeah, you guys are gonna sit with the Easter bunny. Are you so excited? What?
I don't have my coat back.
Your cars? Well, I was holding your cars. They're right here. Okay, so go put it with our stuff. Here, you want your cars? Allie Bug, look what the Easter bunny has. Is that for you? What is it? Jelly beans. What do you say?
Thank you.
I don't know. You gonna give him 5? Oh, he wants your jelly beans. Oh, he's gonna eat Allie's jelly beans. Is he gonna eat Allie's jelly beans, Jax? Well, here, don't go away. You're gonna sit up here and get a picture, Jax. Okay. Oh, and Adri gets one too. Oh, he's teasing Adri. 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. I know.
Did Adri get one? Allie Bug, are you gonna sit beside the Easter Bunny? Adri, are you gonna stand?
Probably. I'll stand.
Here.
I'll stand.
Yeah, line up there. We'll have everyone look right here at the camera. Big smiles, big shaker smile. Smile, look directly at the camera.
Jackson, say
Look
cheese!
at the camera. Say cheese.
Yeah, the camera's right here.
Hold on one second. Alright, let's try it again. Big smiles right here at the camera.
Say
Say cheese, big smile, big smile. Big smile, Jack.
Jackson, say cheese! Oh, Jackson, what were you saying?
Jackie,
Chocolate ice cream.
Holy.
Wow, buddy. What am I watching?
All right, break. All right, now go to your left and turn around.
Does he know left?
Remember how that showed you?
Buddy, look at you. You can stop and go.
Remember, come all the way over here. Turn around.
Buddy, look at you go. Now you're going uphill. Wow, big stuff.
All right, turn around. Show Mom how you turn around. You're all right. You're okay.
Buddy boy, good job. Big stuff. You're getting so big.
You know how to turn around now.